Hello guys, welcome back to our channel for yet another exciting video. Today we made a list of the best products based on their durability, value for money, overall performance and many others. As always, check on the description below to see the product links and get to know more about them.
A computer case renders safety and protection from dust, animals, toys and liquids that can damage the machine's interior parts. And it encloses all the components and keeps them distant from the external environment. It offers better cooling options, regulatory permission, and ease of configurability.
Moving forward, we have a great option that gives you excellent value for money.
This brushed aluminum mid-tower case features an easy-to-remove tempered glass side panel to show the system's interior ultimately. It offers push-pin technology, which allows you to clip the board on without any need for screws. And its built-in retractable handle makes it easy to carry to parties, events, and tournaments. Plus, it provides optimized cooling with the air intake located on the front, side, and bottom of the case, and supports one 120mm fan on the front and two 120mm fans on the bottom, as well as it also has a 120mm exhaust fan attached on the rear.
This next model provides the best performance on the list. Check this out if you don't want to compromise the performance in any way.
This PC case comes in a sleek and minimalistic design and features a PSU shroud and a built-in cable management system in the back. It supports up to an ATX motherboard, 3 2.5-inch drives, and 3 dual-slot graphics cards. And it also offers two 120 to 140mm fans at the front, at the rear, and at the top of the case. Plus, it also features a tempered glass side panel to expose the hardware with any custom LED lighting. And its additional specialties include a cable management bar, cable routing channels, and a removable radiator mounting bracket.
Here comes another model that managed to climb up this list. Let's see how it got here.
This case features a tempered glass hardware custom loop cooling for showing off the built-in panoramic view through an edge-to-edge tempered side panel. It has a dual ARGB fan with two pre-installed 120mm ARGB fans managed by the motherboard to create a comprehensive ARGB lighting system. And its adaptive drive cage can shift towards the front to accommodate PSU space and backward to provide additional radiator space. Plus, its dark mirror mesh intakes span each side of the front panel to provide airflow to the system. And its versatility, paired with its presentation, ensures excellent performance with any gaming system built inside the MasterBox.
If you don't get your money's worth, there's no point in purchasing the costly models. Well, buddy, the next product on this list gives you the best value for your bucks spent today.
This case features a door-opening side panel magnetic design and makes it tool-free and easy to disassemble. It has a black side glass to show the light effect in a low-profile way, while the overall tempered glass design gives the chassis a broad inner view. And its front panel adopts a low-poly design to provide a concise vision. Plus, it has a high-quality structure with 0.6mm painted to form the metal structure with impressive beauty. And it can install two 120mm and 140mm air coolers and a 240mm water cooler to enable more options for users to enhance a better experience.
Up next, we have this fantastic model, which can be an excellent pick for anybody.
This case features a reliable build quality, built-in RGB lighting controller, open interior design, and compatibility with all-in-one liquid cooling. It has a tempered glass panel that adds distinct beauty and brings in an extra bit of flair and sophistication to your system build. And its optimal airflow can direct the airflow to the GPU with a 120mm fan in the front and a 120mm fan at the rear. Plus, it delivers a quality and high airflow performance at an exceptional value. And it enhances a clean interior and exterior design with intuitive and convenient installation.
Are you looking for the highest end model here? Next up is the model that none in the market can compete with.
This case comes with clean and classic smooth curved edges, with polished finish and a front-facing logo, backlit with 6 customizable RGB LEDs. Its edge-to-edge tempered glass panel window allows you to show off your PC components. And its dust filters in the floor, roof, and front help you keep the system clean long after the build is finished. Plus, its flexible storage options can support up to 4 drives, including 2 combo trays in a removable cage.
Thank you so much for watching. So, if you want to continue watching good tech content, make sure to subscribe to the channel.